And here we are at Nefarious Spaceship. It's time to break some shit up. Okay.
Presents to you the ultimate problem solver.
Kinda costly, isn't it?
The Rift Inducer 5000 was created to fill the death by interdimensional being niche. The being, named Fred by our engineers, enjoys moonlight strolls along the beach, reading and mauling unsuspecting enemies with brutal efficiency. Whoa, look at that. Fred must be hungry. The Rift Inducer 5000, available only at Grummelnet.
This weapon is overpowered.
Welcome to the Chrome.
And you, do you have anything worth buying? Probably I'll buy the last one. I think there's a mod here. Yep. Might as well use it. I don't know if it's for one of my weapons, of course. Let me see. Scorcher ricochets. What is it? I usually like when they ricochet. This is not the place that I need to go, I think. But might as well check it out. I'm going to assume there's like a zoni here. This direction. There it is, but I first need something that lets me take the I don't even know what's called in English, but I need some oil. Go Fred, kill. I don't want. Oh, come on. Screw this. So I even have some sort of... Where the hell is that thing back there? Okay, you're mine. Not that I need Zoni to finish the game. I think I have all the Zoni I need it. There are, I think, 40, and when you get them all, you unlock an extra boss battle against Force Lord. Like this, I'll never Let's ride. Kill the spaceship. I mean destroy it, you can't kill the spaceship. I think. Not sure though. There are many weird things in this world that I don't really want to get into to begin with. Oh yeah.
Ratchet, where are you? I can't wait out here all night. Well, I mean, I can, it's just who'd want to? There's no TV.
Kill them with fire. In this case with buzz blades. Shit. Well, that was quite fast, I have to say. Whoa! This buzz blade is a killing machine. Wasn't there like ammo? Oh yeah, here it is. Oh, Quark.
Hey, look who it is! Welcome back, little guy. Am I glad you're here? You know who was a terrible sidekick. Some people just don't take our line of work seriously.
Hey, I'm not the one sitting on the sidelines while everyone else marches into certain death.
Sit on the sidelines and let this baby go to waste? It's one of those cool smoke bombs the spies use. You know, for making quick and fancy getaways. Oh, forget it. Here, it's my most ingenious, foolproof plan yet. The nefarious space station. An impenetrable fortress fraught with danger and, windows. Using my feminine wiles, I was able to convince the custodial staff to temporarily reroute the South Wing trash chute. This will be our point of entry. With the motion sensors deactivated, we should have smooth sailing into the South Wing. Harnessing 8 years of high school theater workshops, I will remain undercover as the lovely Shannon. My objective will be to escort you here. Oops. That's a vacation picture from the Mactar Resort Single Mingle. Don't know how that got in there. I'll escort you here to a conveniently exposed thermal exhaust port. We will then endure rigorous calisthenics until we have lost enough body fat to squeeze through the port.
Maybe I should handle this part of the mission.
Sure, that sounds quicker. Now, that port leads directly to Nefarious's personal quarters. Using the gigamorphic holoray, you'll be able to scan him and create a holographic disguise for Ratchet. With the disguise engaged, we should be able to breeze past the guards and infiltrate Mission Control, where we'll use the main security terminal to atomize every docked ship in the fleet. With Nefarious trapped like a rat and the clock safe, we can contact galactic authorities so that I may bask in the awesome glow of their admiration.
All right, I have to ask, what's with the nurse's outfit?
Ingenious, isn't it? It's part of an elaborate deception plan. It mostly involves a lot of hip swinging and puppy dog eyes.
Well, white's certainly your color.
Oh, thanks. I always fancied myself a winter.
I gotta say, Quark sometimes can be
Here we
funny
are.
as hell.
The final showdown between good and evil. Can you smell that? That's drama, baby.
I smell something, and it's definitely not drama.
Hey, look on the bright side. At least we're not being squished to death by the pistons.
Trash compactor initiated. Prepare to be compacted.
Cover me! I'm about to do something impressive. Muscles aching, arms burning, calves looking good.
Blockage detected in trash compactor 714. Shutting down compactor.
Ratchet, did you hear that? I did it! Ha ha! Technology! I just made you my... That one was a little too close.
The troopers will be here any
Quark
moment.
is actually
We
really
need to
strong.
keep moving.
The maintenance sector is crawling with Nefarious's goons. This might call for a little finesse. Watch and learn. Hello there. I'm Nurse Shannon. This is Dr. Archibald Von Fuzzy Pants and his robotic intern, Gundolf Metal Sprocket. Dr. Nefarious is expecting us.
You are not authorized. Prepare to die, Nurse Shannon.
How did they not fall for
Prepare to die, Nurse Shannon.
that?
Wait, I was hit. What's hitting me? Didn't really understand what was hitting me.
Alright.
Ah, shit. That was unfair because I was hit, don't know how. It was more than once. I didn't even see the bullets coming for me. Whoa, 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 whoa. No. Scratch my ear. I hate it when my hair goes into my ears and starts tickling like hell. I really hate it. It happens a lot with my headset for some reason, but it's always in right here. And the left is never for some strange reason.
What gives?
Time to pick up
Feel the wrath of my blaster.
full of enemies. Oh shit. I didn't know there was one behind me. these buzz blades, I know that they probably when I talk, I already saw this a couple of times. When I talk and they're firing, my voice gets like obscured by them. Because their noise is so loud. Okay, I was pretty lucky, I gotta admit.
This elevator appears to be coded into Nefarious' circuitry. We will need the Hollow Guys to access it.
Maybe I should use one of these. Ah, crap. Crud. At least I start from here. Oh, come on. Forget about those. They're only getting me killed. Buzz blades for the win. Work faster. Come on, it's full of these guys. Fuck.
Nice work. Clank, phase 2 is your part of the mission. Up into the vent and head for Nefarious' office. We'll, cover you from here.
Computer, take dictation.
Go ahead, Doctor.
Things to do once the clock is under my control. Number 1, double-cross remaining Valkyries and retire Lord Vorsalon. Number 2, re-establish vendetta against organic life forms. And number 3, Iron Socks.
Hollow Guys complete. I'm returning to the rendezvous point.
Must have forgot to tune the auto-scaler. Ah, well, close enough. Try your vocal modulator.
Test.
1, 2. It works! Now, let's finish this and go home. I order you to boogie. Where are you, Lawrence?
Yes, sir, you're right. Yes, sir, how may I be of assistance? Right away, sir.
Time for phase 3. When we get to the hub, I'll distract the guards while you gain access to the Hypernova defense list.
Got it. How do I do that?
I'm not 100% on that one, but I'm sure you'll think of something. Just remember, keep it on the low. Avert your eyes from the Exalted One. Nothing to see here.
I like killing stuff.
Annihilate him! Annihilate him!
Also, I can get some bolts, so why the fuck not?
He looks shorter.
Annihilate him! Annihilate him! Dr. Nefarious! You didn't have to come all the way over here. The hypernova defense laser is quite capable of clearing the debris. Say, would you like to test it out? The controls are yours, sir.
I like shooting stuff.
Don't worry, sir. That component is completely replaceable. I'll just order a new one. An excellent shot. At this rate, you'll be at the great club in no time. Excellent shooting, sir. The landing platform is clear. Lawrence is standing by to call in the fleet. In the meantime, I'll man the hypernova in case that meddling Lombax get out of my way.
Wait, I need to call Lawrence and say for the
Is there
ships.
something you needed, sir?
Enter.
Oh, goody. I get to press a button. And they said my intellect would be squandered under your employ. Stand by for fleet arrival.
Get lost.
I feel very close to you right now.
Come on, you gotta keep moving.
That was so gay.
I may need a little backup here.
We're playing as the fairy. This is actually a skin. You unlock it when you get some more gold bolts.
Please report to transport to Orient.
Porcupine die. 69 buzz blades. Oh, yeah. I'm out of ammo. Shit. Okay, I want zircon and I want this. Oh, I've leveled up.
We need to access the elevator. You know, oftentimes when I say this, it results in catastrophe, but what the hey? Mission accomplished!
You're not Dr. Nefarious! Nefarious, you can't use the clock. Nothing you could want is worth risking the universe.
Oh, but there is. And I have you three to thank for it. Initiate Super Wavy Flashback Effect! Thanks to you and your dim-witted friend here, I found myself drifting through the cosmos. Have you ever spent time on an asteroid? It's surprisingly boring! Nothing for a villain to do but dwell on his failures! One day, the fungoid saved us. But still, failure burned inside my circuitry. How could I have been defeated by the likes of you? Why had the universe been tipped in your favor? I embarked on a crusade to the inner recesses of what you call the soul. I studied fungoid meditation, attended anger management class, dabbled in yoga, attended more anger management class, until finally I went on a spirit walk on planet Quantos. It was here I finally found what I had been missing, the Great Clock! With the clock under my control, I'll be able to wrong all the rights in the universe. Every villain who has ever stumbled will get a do-over. Every protagonist's triumph will be reversed, until finally a new present is created, in which the heroes always lose! Guards!
Hang on, cadets!
Sorry,
That
Tyler.
was 5 bolts wasted.
How do you like my asteroid Finger 5000? I had it installed in the event I ever needed a super ironic death scenario.
Nefarious, you're making a mistake.
Time will tell. Bon voyage, my old nemesis.
You're just a lonely man, Lance, boarding a lonely train on its way to Lonely Town.
So help me, it's true. All aboard for Lonely Town. Choo-choo, Janice. Choo-choo.